Good morning, everybody. This is Anita, and today we're going to ask you to like, share, and subscribe. And we're talking about my big mouth and I. So many of us have not taught ourselves the way to talk. We just talk whatever comes into our heads. We want to start talking the way you want to see things. If you have somebody to help you script your life, talk with them back and forth. I'm so happy now that I make $250,000 a year. I am attracting high-paying clients. I am happy. I am well. I am moving into my new house on my new land. Start talking the way you want things, not the way they are. Don't be saying I am broke. I am is a powerful word. Powerful words. Whatever you're saying throughout the day, whether you say I am lonely, I am sick, I am needing this or that, you're bringing more of that into your life. What you want to do is change the whole paragraph. You want to change the whole story that you're living right now. So start talking as if it's already happened. Just make up a story. Do script writing. I have a video on that. Write it as if you're living it now. Some people do have people that they can script with and talk back and forth. If you don't, though, I invite you to write everything down and just write out your story the way that you want it to be. Maybe even write it from a year from now, date it from a year from now, and just write something along the lines of, I am so grateful. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, all that is divine, that my life is just a shining star of what you can do. Thank you that I make X amount of money per year. I moved into my house. That was X amount of money. I bought a beautiful piece of land. I set up inheritances for my children and grandchildren. Whatever it is that you're trying to bring into your life, you want to script it like you're living it now. I'm so grateful I got that high-paying job. I'm so grateful that now I can afford groceries and diapers and everything and not worry about the costs. It's so important to line our mouths up with what we want. That's why I called this my big mouth and I. I used to be a very negative person. I grew up in an abusive atmosphere, lived in a foster home, had multiple people abuse me, rape me, hurt me most of my life. And I finally was able to get a hold of a couple of books and things that set me on a journey of forgiveness and changing my life and the way I spoke. I did not even realize that the way I was speaking, all men are alike, all men are dirt, everything. I had a real hard time with this, even though I was married to a man. I was bringing a lot of the problems on myself the way I was talking, and bringing more abuse into my life because I was just in that atmosphere. But if you think about it, not all men or women are alike. We set ourselves in circles in general, of knowing 10, 15 people that are close to us. And there's a billion, there's like 7 billion people on the planet that we don't know. So there is no way that everybody's the same and everything. We've got to start rationalizing that our words are bringing a lot of problems to us. We get on to our children. I see this in families quite often. They get onto their children about cussing, but they don't realize that they're doing it too. The children are going to copy what we do, not what we say. Okay, we're going to have to change our behaviors, our speech, everything to line up our lives the way we want it, and start scripting, start playing like you were when you were a child. We played all the time, pretend. Well, do it now. Pretend it and keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Change your speech. Write notes to yourself, sticky notes, and put your affirmations down. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am prosperous. I am successful. And tape them to your bathroom mirror, to your refrigerator, to your microwave, any place that you regularly go, and around your bed, so that you have it. You have it. And I think it was Jack Canfield that taped $1,000 bill or $100 bill, something like that, on the top of the ceiling. So every morning when he woke up, he would see his goal. He would set his intention for X amount of money and see his goal. And by the way, if you haven't seen it yet, watch The Secret. You can find it here on YouTube, or you can find it on Netflix. And also on YouTube is the Moses Code. That's a real good one too, and that teaches a lot on the I am. You know, God said in the Bible, I am that I am. Well, our words, I am, is so powerful. God said, I am that I am. That word, that. Put what you want yourself to be. I am successful. I am wealthy. I am attracting my dreams. I am. Well, with that, I will leave you love and light to each of you. I appreciate each one of you, and God bless you all. May you have an amazing, amazing day, and remember, you are loved by all that is divine, God, Jesus, the angels, and everything, and I just wish the best possible outcome for you all. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.